So this is the Euro Pound analysis for Monday, the 2nd of April. Now, let's just have a look what having prices, where prices may likely go. So here on the Euro Pound, we did see a brief sell-off here from the 87.95, around that 88 level. We did see the sell side momentum take us below this 87.50. Came down towards the 87.40, from which we did see the bullish buy side momentum return to the market, retaking the 87.50 on a retest. Had prices progress slowly to the upside towards the 87.83, major level marked out here in red, from which we are seeing a bit of sell side momentum come back into the market. So we'll see whether we do see the sell side momentum continuation, bringing us down towards that area of confluence, down towards the 87.50. An important level marked out here in blue, along where we do have the 200 period, along where we do have this 200 period moving average. So there, if we do head down there, we do have a dynamic level of support as well as a horizontal level, thus increasing likelihood of potentially seeing a bullish bounce and a retest of the 87.83, possibly a move back up towards that 88 level. If we do see the upside momentum follow through, then we are then looking for price to move towards 88. In around 88, we do have the 400 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of potentially seeing consolidation or some sell side momentum return to the market. If we do break out, however, to the upside, we're looking for price to move towards that 88.20 and a successful break, from which we're then looking for prices to move towards that 88.51. If we move beyond the 88.51, the very next level to the upside is a move towards that 88.74. Wouldn't anticipate price moving beyond the 88.74. If, however, we do not find support at the 87.50, along with the 200 period moving average, with the prices to retrace all the way down towards 87. And if we have sufficient sell side momentum to the downside, we're looking for prices to move down towards that 86.63. Now let's just have a look at the higher time frame, see how prices are developing here on the Euro Pound. So if we head over to the monthly chart, we can see here that we've had a strong move to the upside, pull back, a move to the upside again, a pull back, and we've been in this consolidation for several months now. Possibly Brexit related, but we've been in this consolidation here between 90.24 and the 86.63 for quite some time now. The market doesn't appear to have a set direction, just pretty much trading between those 2 points within that particular trading zone. If we head over to the weekly chart, here on the Euro Pound, we can see it even more prominent over the past couple of weeks. They've been operating in shadow of this very strong bearish candle, and as we can see, prices have just oscillated between the 2 points. Now, more recently, we've not tested the 90.24 in some time. We've seen the sell side momentum come pretty close towards testing that 86.63, but we have seen a bullish buy side momentum retake the 87 level and start to head up towards that 88 level here on the Euro Pound. And if we have a look at the daily chart for wrapping up here, on the daily chart, we can see we did have the persistent trend here to the downside, a very consistent move where we did see quite a bit of weakness. We've traded below the 400 period moving average, broke out from these lows, and this area where we were holding the 400 period moving average as a dynamic level of support. Posted just a bit of a pin bar here. We have seen some bullish buy side momentum. It does seem a bit indecisive due to the open to close of the candles. The candles are small in size, suggesting that there might be a degree of bearish overhang in this market, and the bulls are a bit cautious here. And with that said, that wraps up the Euro Pound analysis. Thanks for watching.